Hey, it's Leah, and today I wanted to show you how you can get free and paid advertising. One of the coolest thing about this is that you don't have to post on your social media, you don't have to post on your Facebook profile. I get asked that all the time. Hey, Leah, I don't have any friends or people on my Facebook. I don't want to post on my Facebook. Not a problem. I absolutely love the system, and you can send out ads as many times as you want. Unfortunately, those ads are additional costs, but they are probably the cheapest way that you can advertise your business. So one of the things I would highly suggest is becoming a gold member. And I just want to show you what a gold member would get. So here I just posted my ad, and as a gold member, you do get bold. So how cool is that? So you can see a lot of these are freebies. I don't know if tired of being broke. One of the things that would make me not click on this is I know that they're not a gold member and they didn't spend any money to even be part of this. So if you're really wanting to stand out and look like a leader, one of the things you want to do is go gold, and that's $49 for a lifetime member. Right here you can see lifetime gold member, and it's a way to really make yourself stand out as a leader. So here I put skyrocket your business fast and call 386-518-0202. So if you're part of my team with TextBot, this is what I'm doing. So all you have to do is just click on that and people will see my ad. So right here, if you wanted to just work off of credits until you had the $49 to do the yearly membership, you definitely can do that. But right here in the gold membership, it allows you to do HTML. So one of the things that I like doing is right there is the thing at the top, and then I add a picture. I could make that clickable also, and to put all my information, it allows me to put a click so that I can go directly to my web page, and that way I just did an opt-in page for people to opt in and see the information. It's a great way to grow your email list and to allow you to start having other people see your products, your business, maybe whatever you want to do. If you're doing JVZoo or ClickBank or a product or anything that would allow you to go ahead and have others see exactly what's going on. Here in this program, you can also do these other ones. I have done them. They're absolutely amazing. The cheapest way to get advertising. So here you can have them actually, looks like some ad design. You can be creative with a monster blurb. So every time that you log in and out or rotate through the site, your site will be shown. So those are additional costs, but I can't believe how much advertising is so much cheaper right here. Here is the Herculist Gold Lifetime Upgrade, just $49 and never pay another membership fee. It also has an affiliate program, so you do get 50% of that. And if you get 2 people in to be an upgrade of a gold member, that would make your membership for free. I don't know you, but I love making my advertising free so that I can do other things like get traffic to my business. So this allows you to get 30% off getting visitors to your website. Right here is Traffic Bomb, $39 to get all this stuff, and it allows you to advertise that opportunity, business, products, whatever you like. But you can see all the different things in here. Maybe you're looking for a business. Maybe you're looking for something, I don't know, right here. Have you seen the Fusion Quilt or Rag Rug? I have no idea what that is. It would give me an opportunity to learn a little bit more what people are doing, what's the businesses out there, what are people showing and giving information on. So right here, it'll give you your member settings so that you can jump in here and check it out. You can do the mailers and loops, power blogs, your affiliate information. Everything is so simple and easy. So as you can see, it's a great way to do your ad mailers. Right here, I'll click on that and show you. And all I do is just use, and so these are the ones that have paid to have their advertising. Right here, you can scroll down and do the mailing. Right here's a regular mailing. You can do it daily. And as a gold member, it allows you to do HTML. Don't be scared of HTML. It's super simple and easy. Just go out and find a free HTML promoter. It does everything for you. All you have to do is just plug in the information and copy the code. Just highlight and copy it. Take it back over to your Hercules. Click on Source. Paste your information and click back on source and you'll see everything there. If everything looks great, go ahead and submit your ad. Super, super simple and easy, and you can do this daily without doing it on your Facebook page or anything like that. So if you're looking for an opportunity to get some advertising done for your business, go ahead and click on the link below. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.